Hello, and today I will be creating the Burrito El Jack. It's easy. Just place 8 chicken nuggets, 8 chicken fries on a plate, and then put 8 chicken fries on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, actually put 24. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, just put as much as your pan can handle. So, now that you have all of your 24 chicken nuggets on the plate, you may now put your chicken. You may now put your chicken nuggets in the.
Go.
Okay. Now, if you have the Kirkwood fully cooked chicken fries, which we have, it'll take like 14 to 16 minutes. Okay, so now that you have your, those if you have an air fryer, you can put French fries in as a little snack on the side. So, and you have your chicken nuggets and the chicken fries in the microwave at 350. You can now place down your burrito, and
Which ones did you buy?
there's a low carb tortilla
Ooh.
and Fit and Active.
Mm-hmm.
Where did you get them? You can get these at Aldi. Like the chicken fries we put in the microwave. Well, the oven. Now we sprinkle on some lettuce. Okay, this is done. Now you put on your second tortilla. Do the same process for as many people as you want. Okay. Now that all of your nuggets have cooked, you can pick them up with your salad scooper. Place them into your burrito. Now that you have all 4 chicken nuggets in the plate, you can add condiments like ketchup or hot sauce. I'm going to add ketchup to mine. Today you have your chicken, your Burrito El Jack. And now you have your Burrito El Jack.
Beautiful. Nice. And you got salad and French fries on the side.
Looky here. Your perfectly finished Burrito El Jack.
Looks good.